Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, courtesy of Kane's Auto in Manchester, New Hampshire, we have this 2016 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HG Duramax Z71. This thing is, as you can see, modded. Tastefully though. Not an aggressive lift kit. I don't actually know if it's lifted or not. It might be, but it has an exhaust. Yeah. So, it's been modded tastefully. It's not over the top. It's exactly what, if I was into these kind of trucks, it's exactly what I would want. Right. Normally I shut the AC off or the vents all the way down, but it's 95 degrees. It's not happening. Sorry guys, I'd rather stay cold than turn the vents down. Oh yeah. That exhaust is loud. This is my first time driving a modded diesel. I don't know if there's a tune on it. I have no idea. All I know is there's an exhaust. It's pretty much all I know. Exhaust and wheels. Possible lift kit. I don't really know. You know, on the highway, it's actually not that bad. It's not all that droney. I have it in tow haul mode, so if I shut that off, it'd shift down. Even have the exhaust brake, which I'll use on this coming exit. Which will use the engine to slow itself down it works. I'm pretty sure it like closes a valve or something like that to create back pressure to slow it down. I don't know exactly how it works. Like I said, I don't own a diesel. I don't follow these all that closely. I can't get over the torque of these things, man. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.